Hello everyone, my name is Gissel, and today I have an unboxing of Lissette's gel nails, and I also have some Amazon things that she recommended, as well as some other things that I kind of just bought on my own. So let's just get started. I already opened up this Amazon package, so let me just get started with the Amazon things she recommended. So she did recommend this coaster warmer, so it's like a mug warmer, but she uses this to warm up her gels, and I thought that was great. It didn't have great reviews though, so let's see how that works. I mean, sometimes Amazon is a hit or miss, and that's really not her fault. Like, if it worked for her, great, but if it doesn't work for me, oh well. There's always the return policy, and this is the one that they had available online, but I was able to get the pink one. I don't know how, but one day it just came back up. I got it. The next day it wasn't there anymore, so I was like, hopefully they sent me the right one. So yeah, let's just open this right up. I did open it to see if I did get the right color, so I haven't tried it yet. So this is kind of how it looks. It's like a dial, and you connect it. It doesn't come with the adapter to connect, and then you just place your stuff here. I don't know what the hell that says, but it does come with like a guide, and it tells you kind of everything. Hopefully it's not too bright and it's washing it out, but so you do get kind of like a guide, and I'm going to see later on if it does work. And if it works for me, then it probably will work for you. I don't know. Some people were saying that it wasn't like keeping their stuff warm, and I was like, I'm not even going to use it for actual liquids, so you know. Okay, so then the Amazon stuff, which is why I wanted to get into that first, is she recommended, ooh, oh, okay, this isn't it. She recommended Silicone Mat, and let me just take everything out. So she did recommend like a silicone mat, and it actually came rolled up, which is great because the ones that I received, so I have a blue and green one, I don't know if you guys have seen from my previous videos, they come folded. So this rolled, awesome already. That's like a huge plus, so that way it doesn't have those creases on it. Oh, and I decided to get a pink one because I've been wanting a pink one. I like blue and green more. How the hell do you get this open? Oh, okay. I thought I was gonna have to get my scissors. Oh, it is folded. I take part of my thing back, but I mean, it's folded and rolled, so it's not that bad. So these are great for like backgrounds. Huh. Ooh, so you can put your mat inside. That's so cool. I thought this was just there to like keep them apart. Anyways, okay. I don't know why I'm so excited about this. Let me move some stuff off the table so I can put this down because I'm going to use it as my background today. So automatically I can tell that this silicone mat is a lot thicker than mine, which I really like. And I don't mind the creases on it from the fold. It'll probably flatten out eventually. So let me just move on with everything else. Okay, so she also recommended a LED lamp. It was cheap, and if it doesn't work, it's okay. I also got this all from her Amazon storefront. I'm going to see if I can link it down below. Because, you know, if it works, right? So this is kind of how the lamp looks. You clamp it on your table, and it's supposedly, or it is, because I've seen videos, it is really easy to do your gel X nails or gel extension nails, or, you know, full cover tips. So you just have it like that, you just put it against the light. Yet again, it is in USB without the adapter, so you kind of need that. So going on to the other thing that I bought. So one more thing I wanted to mention, I kind of forgot, was that the cord is about, I would say, 3 feet long, so like a really standard one. It's not super long, so that if that's like a problem for you, that's something. And then it does heat up. I just tried it. Literally, I put it at 45, turned it on. So you press this button. So it's like a button, whatever. You turn it on, and it did warm up. I just disconnected it really fast because I was like, I don't need it warm right now, but it was warming up. And yeah, it's honestly pretty simple, so I'm really glad I got that. And then this, I forgot to mention, as soon as I plugged it in, it was on, and I was like, there has to be a way to turn it off if I'm not using it. And there's a button right here. So there is like another button that you can use. And then this, let me see how long it is for you guys, because I don't know why I didn't mention that, but that's like a big deal for me too. It is, oh, sorry, I got tangled. This one seems about like 4 feet long. So it's pretty good. I could probably have it connected while I'm filming all the way over here. I'm pretty far away from the connection that I have because I already put in the surge protector where I said I was. But yeah, that's all I wanted to like inform you guys about. Just give you guys like a little heads up, because I know cords to me are important, because the one from QR Sky for the little mini lamp, the one that you do at home for like the jelly tips, the small one, the one that's shaped like a C, that cord is super small. Like you literally have to be near an outlet. And then as well as their stay-at-home mini lamp, the one that you could put 4 fingers in, the cord is super small. So for me, that just is like I have to be near like my vanity to be doing it, and it's kind of like out of the way. But anyways, moving on to the other thing that I bought. I got this, which is a surge protector, and the only reason I got this was because I do have one in my room and it works great. And these, let me just open it up. So it comes like this, and you can just, you know, put your things in, and it doesn't, like, you know, the ones that go in the line, and you know, when you have like a big chunky box, like you can't put the next one in, so you have to skip over and you have to use the other one. This one, since they go out, you don't have that problem unless you have like a big cube like this, which I would say like my Echo Dot does take up space, but I can still put something next to it. So I bought this for where like my living room, because that's kind of where I film. And yeah, so I can have more things connected, especially because of this, because it actually has the USB ports right there, so I don't technically need an adapter, so that's great. So I just thought I would mention this because I do like this one, and I do have it in my room for about almost 7 months or maybe more, and it's been working great. And I really like it. So I'm going to connect this probably after this video, because maybe I'll connect it now. I'm not sure. I'll see. But I bought this because I thought it would be great. And I actually forgot that I do have another Amazon package coming, and I didn't want to wait because I wanted to film already, because I have way too many packages like piling up. So the next thing that I had was this, and this is a apron. So you may think I'm home, I don't need to be wearing fancy clothes for the most part when I'm doing nails, but I bought it anyways because I do get dust all over my pants for the most part. So I was like, let me just buy an apron. And it's a pink apron. It's not too long. And I've been wanting one from like Young Nails, but they actually didn't have an apron this year. So I was like, why not just get this? And it comes with 3 pockets in the front. And yeah, it's cute. It's an apron. It's pretty plain. I'll probably show you it in an upcoming video, because I will be showing my face in an upcoming video. Just because I want to show you some other things that I bought, but you have to kind of see it like out of this frame. So anyways, let me continue on. I also did get a fabric that I'm waiting on, and some like color swatch bubble thingies, but they're heart-shaped. So I will just put some pictures on the side and show you guys. If anything, I'll show it in an upcoming video, but for now I will just kind of like skim through it. And yeah, I kind of just bought those for like a backdrop and swatching, pretty much. So moving on to the main event, which is Lisette's gel nails. I didn't open it yet, so let me open it right now. Okay, so these are cute, like white Cheetos, but I know they're peanuts. Well, they're technically called packing peanuts. Whatever, I don't care. Anyways, so we got this. Let me just take this out because I know it's gonna have. Ooh, I love how she didn't put the address like right up top, like how most companies do. I hate that shit. I really don't like it when they do that, because I'm like over here like trying to hide my address and stuff, you know. Anyways, so she has LGN nails, which is Lissette gel nails. I'm talking too fast, sorry. And in the back it just says, thank you for your purchase, we appreciate your support, please tag us in your photos and use the gel. Wow, I mixed Lissette and gel together. Lisette's gel nails and to be featured, and then follow us on social media, Lissette gel nails. And I do follow her because I like her work, and I actually follow her on YouTube. Follow her on YouTube, guys, she's great. this is the box up close and personal. I did get 2 of her brushes. They're so much cuter in person than they looked online. I was just like, let me just get her brushes to use with her gels. But these look so cute. So I got a number 6 gel brush and a number 4 gel brush. And these retail for $12.99 each. So this one was a little loose at the top, but it's okay because they're actually sealed. And this is just a little, I guess, sticky part that goes here. So I got her crystal clear, her milky white, her peach perfect, and her simply pink. Now these look gorgeous. Like the packaging, what? Like, it's so pretty. It's just really nice packaging. I really, 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 really like it. I did get her rubber base coat. And let's take out these little gel nail thingies. So she originally had a 25% off, I believe, or a 20% off. I'm pretty sure it was 25. So I got the brushes, like I said, for $12.99. Her gels retail for $20.99, and I got a 20% off or 25% off, so yeah. And then the rubber base coat is $12.99. So I'm going to, I guess, swatch. I've never really done gel swatches. I've showed you the cart ones, but it's not the same in my opinion. I'm gonna take that out. How would I open this? How should I open this, more or less? This gel looks so creamy and good. And this is her milky white. So far, I don't really smell a strong smell either, because some gels do have a strong smell in my opinion. Not a super strong smell like monomer or anything, but yeah. Let me see if I can look at that. I instantly regretted doing that only because this. It is so nice. I like the thickness of it. Let me close you guys up even more. And this is supposed to be like a really, really milky white. I'm going to see if maybe I can use it, you know, soon. So I'm going to keep it like this. Normally when I have a pot like this, I just open it halfway, but I won't be like tossing and turning these, so it'll be fine. And then we have the crystal clear. Let me just open this up because I most likely will be using this at some point. That looks great. And it is very, very clear. Like, if you think it has pink in it, it probably is my background. Just saying. Ugh, I can't get over this packaging. It's so pretty. Anyways, this one's Peach Perfect, which I love a good peachy nude. This is Peach Perfect, and it is gorgeous. Ooh, look at that. It's pretty. I can't wait to use that on myself. I did gel nails on my mom recently, and they came out really nice. She doesn't typically do nudes, but I was like, yeah, let me do this dark color on you. And I don't know, I'm stupid, or like I forget that my mom is like a medium tan skin tone, and I'm over here like, yeah, let me try this dark one on you. And it was not dark. It was like her, like a really nice nude on her. And she was like, oh, they look so pretty and elegant. Because she never does nudes. So she was like, they look so nice and simple. And I was like, Mom, but you never let me do nudes. I would have been doing nudes on you. And she was like, oh. She's like, no, they look really nice. And I was like, just wait, because I'm going to do more. Anyways, so I have Simply Pink. Oh, so my purpose of telling you about my mom's thing was because that was like my first time, and they actually are lasting a pretty good amount of time for her. What she works in is kind of like rough, I guess. So her nails usually get messed up pretty fast, but they were actually holding pretty strong. And I was like, either, I mean, in my head, it was easier to actually do them because like I can get it like the structure right, but then it's like I took forever because I didn't want to mess up, and I took too long, and I'm not used to it anymore because I've already gotten down like dip powder and acrylic. I have like a certain time that I can do it, and I literally just did one solid color, so I in my head didn't think I would be taking that long because I'm only doing one color. But I took forever, and I was like, no, I need to practice. Anyways, look at this pink. Ooh, I'm gonna compare it because this one looks like more mauve-y, and then this one you can tell like the peachy undertones in this one. This one looks a little bit more mauve-y, but let's see. Oh, I just love how these feel, like smooth and not hard or anything. They look so nice, and they don't move, like it's not like dripping off the stick or anything, so that's nice. But yeah, so I cannot wait to use these. So her brushes are like this Lissette gel nail gel brush number 6. And it comes like this. That is so nice. And excuse the back of my nails, it's just whatever. So take out the little starch that's in it. So pretty. And I like how thin they are. They're very lightweight. Okay, and then this one is the number 4. Ooh, and this one has the little thingy on it. And this is how it looks. Let me just take away the starch from it. So this is all that I picked up, and I cannot wait to use it. Her rubber base coat, I assume, is just, it looks like a clear. Yeah, it does. So that's kind of how it looks. Really nice. And I'm not really sure what a rubber base coat is for, but I assume it's better for like extended nails, right? I don't really know. I'm not too familiar with gel in general, like doing gel or anything, but I'm kind of like moving on to that. So I started with dip powder, then moving on to acrylic, and now I'm trying to do like polygel or gel in general because I'm not too familiar with it. So maybe I'll fall in love with this just as much as I fell in love with acrylic. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Definitely look forward to using these. This packaging is gorgeous, like oh, I don't want to turn them, but it's gorgeous, and I cannot wait to use them, and everything looks just so elegant. I believe these are like stickers on top, but honestly you can't even tell because it just goes so well with everything. It's not like she's plastering on the same sticker on top of each one. This has white, this has a little bit of gray, this has a little bit of peach, this has pink. It's not the same stickers, so you can tell she puts a lot into her packaging, which I appreciate. And then these gel brushes just look so freaking cute. I cannot get over it. I really like that, and I love when they come with a cap because some places don't really give you the cap. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until next time, bye.